The question says that in the previous problem, 15 centimeter of water and spirit each are further poured into the respective arm of the tube. What is the difference in the level of mercury in two arms? Specific gravity of mercury is 13.6. So in the previous question we saw that mercury was in level with 10 centimeter of water and 12.5 centimeter of this spirit. Now it is said that another 15 centimeter of water and spirit are added in both the columns. So what would be the difference in the level of mercury? So upon adding 15 centimeter of water in the water column, its height would be equal to 0.25 meter and the spirit height would be equal to 0.275 meter. Now again both the column would be in equilibrium, but the mercury is not in level, so we have to find out what is the difference in the level. So we have to find out this HMG. So as the water is heavier than the spirit, we saw in the previous question that the specific gravity of spirit was just 0.8, and if it would have been heavier than water, then the specific gravity would have been greater than 1. Like in mercury is 13.6 times heavier than water. So since water is heavier than that spirit, then the height of mercury would be greater in the spirit section to balance the pressure. Now assuming the mercury rises by HMG meter in the side of the spirit, now equating the forces in the y direction, the hydrostatic pressure in both the column would be same. So hydrostatic pressure at here would be equal to hydrostatic pressure at here at 1 point and at 2 point. Now hydrostatic pressure at point 1 would be equal to rho g h. H is the height, that is 0.25 meter, which is given over here, and g is the acceleration due to gravity, and rho of water is the density of water, and the pressure due to this mercury, this column of mercury would be equal to height of this mercury column multiplied with density of mercury, that is 13.6 times that of water, 13.6 times rho water, multiplied with acceleration due to gravity plus the pressure of this column of spirit, and that would be equal to 0.275, that is the height, multiplied with 0.8 times rho water, that is the density of spirit, multiplied with the acceleration due to gravity. Now if we solve this for HMG, then it is equal to 0.221 centimeter. That is, mercury rises by 0.221 centimeter in the side of spirit. Thank you.